Understanding Guitar Workshop, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, guitar workshop. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English expressions, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Let's dive in. A guitar workshop typically refers to a place or event where guitars are either made, repaired, or where people are taught how to play the guitar. It can be a physical location, like a shop or a studio, or a special session or class. The key aspects of a guitar workshop include craftsmanship, teaching, and learning about guitars. 1. Making and repairing guitars. Here, the phrase refers to a place where guitars are crafted or repaired. It's a space filled with tools and materials for guitar construction and maintenance. 2. Learning and teaching. In this context, a guitar workshop is a session where experts teach techniques of playing the guitar. It could be a one-time seminar or a series of classes, aimed at different skill levels. 3. Cultural and community events. Sometimes, a guitar workshop is part of a larger event like a music festival, where people gather to celebrate and learn about guitar music. Guitar workshops play a crucial role in preserving and advancing guitar music. They are centers of knowledge, skill sharing, and cultural exchange. These workshops help keep the tradition of guitar playing vibrant and evolving. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning of guitar workshop. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing and stay curious about the wonderful world of language learning. See you in our next video.